Alright, here we are, ready for step 2. We've sat for 30 minutes after our mix. Pop the bowl off, and this is what we're looking at here. Still sticky, but it is manageable. Alright, so this is when I decide to add my salt. Again, I'll put a little bit of water into my cup. Too much, just a tiny bit. I don't know, half a teaspoon maybe. I'm going to measure out my salt. And take a fork and just dissolve that a little bit. Not quite enough water. Kind of just eye it up, just so it liquefies a tad. Not a lot. Just, you know, stir it a little bit until it kind of dissolves in there. And I'm going to add that just before I do my first set of stretch and folds. Okay, so that's pretty good and well. So I'll bring my dough back over and kind of just sprinkle it on all over. And that's my salt. And I dimple it in like this with my fingers a little bit. You can kind of see how this dough looks and feels. And for my first set, I lift, shake into the center, turn, about a quarter turn, same thing, lift, shake to the center. Keep going. And it's kind of a feel for this, so just keep scraping down, get all the dough, because it's still kind of sticky at this point. And sometimes your dough will be a little stickier than other times, so if you have that problem, get yourself a little bowl, and then you just use a little bit of water, and you dip your fingers in it, and that'll help not to stick. And you just keep going until your dough starts to form a nice ball into the center. Okay, you can see it's all kind of starting to come into a ball here. When I get to about here, I flip it over, wet my fingers, and I get it to a nice little dome there. Okay. All around, try to make it even, and that's it for your first stretch and folds. See, you can kind of see where it's still a little rough. See the lines will be folded, and then we'll just cover it. Easier said than done sometimes, and you'll rest for another 30 minutes. Oops. Said I'm a newbie, I meant it. Helps to sew a bigger bowl cover, I suppose. Here we go. All right.